Cooking wok pan. Hammered wok and stir-fry pans with wooden handle. Frying wok carbon steel flat bottom. Chinese iron pot for cooking, 12.5-inch. Handcraft wok 100% hand-hammered power wok is made of 1.5 mm thick iron sheet, each weighing about 1,200 grams. You know every Chinese wok pan is crystallization of Craftsman's sweat 3800 hammers by hand, 17 traditional processes. Our unique fish scale shape in this pot adds to the smooth surface which decreases the possibility of stick food and strikes the balance of hardness and beauty of woks. More Chinese dishes. The frying wok is a true workhorse in the kitchen for Chinese people to cook food. We prefer to add many ingredients mixed together to cook, especially in old times when we have a much big family. You can cook healthy meals using various traditional cooking techniques like pan frying, braising, boiling, steaming, poaching, and deep frying. Also, there are many recipes for you to make stir-fry meat, fish, vegetables, poultry, rice and more. Healthy and safe necessity. Who experts even believe that cooking in iron pot is the most direct method of iron supplementation. At high temperatures, a small amount of iron in the iron pan will penetrate into the food, so it objectively plays a role in iron supplementation. So come to join us to cook healthy food and energize your body. More detailed design, premium carbon steel and heavy gauge body allows for rapid heat transfer and long time use. Riveted handle is ideal for safe and comfortable grip, which also ideal for effortless tossing. Flat bottom design helps to sit evenly and cook well. Our wok pan can be applied to glass, gas, electric stoves and so on. No more worries, we promise you, quality first, service utmost. Your 100% satisfaction is our unremitting pursuit. We offer 30 days 100% money back guarantee. Just try this wok pan. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.